how to enable camera and microphone on Instagram. So first of all, let's make sure that you updated the app to the last version by just going ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and you can just simply search for Instagram, okay? And after we click the Instagram app, you're gonna see right here the Instagram, and you will see a button called Update if you haven't received any notification that you should update the app. All right, so you need to check from time to time if this Instagram app needs to be updated, because sometimes Instagram don't notify people that, hey, we got new update. So next step, what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just go back to your screen, and we're gonna go ahead to our settings, right? And here we're gonna just scroll a little bit down into the apps section, sorry, and you will see the many apps that I have on my phone. I'm gonna just go ahead to Instagram, obviously, and here you will see more than one option. You're gonna see a location if you want to give access, and you're gonna just allow access, or if you want it to be always, just hit always. And if you want to enable contacts, you can always do that or toggle it off. And if you want to allow access to your photos, personal photos and everything to post on Instagram, give them full access or limited access, right? And here you will see the microphone section. Here in the microphone section, many people don't realize that once they open Instagram, maybe they forgot, or maybe they made a mistake of not allowing Instagram of having microphone access and camera access. This is one of the key factors of Instagram, one of the important stuff on Instagram, because you need to take a picture, you need to make maybe a video call on your personal DMs, and maybe you're gonna do other stuff by posting with a camera and a video. So you need to toggle it on to allow Instagram to hear your voice or your mic, and allow camera access to Instagram to post, maybe take a picture for Instagram, add some filters and whatnot. You can't do all of that without giving them access to camera and microphone. So it's one of the key important thing that you should do, once you download Instagram app. And after you've done all of that, you're gonna just head back to Instagram, and you're gonna just test it if it works out right for you. So we're gonna just go back right here by just adding a post, and you're gonna see right here in the Instagram that I have given Instagram full access to my videos and camera, right? Because if I wanted to post a story, I can just go ahead and click the story or reel or live, and I can just take a picture after I've given them the access to it. So you need to make sure on your post, story, reel, live, if this issue has gone, or you now have the access, or you have the liberty to take a photo or make a story or make a reel, right? So after you give it the full access, you should be fine. You won't have necessarily any problem with it. But if that didn't work out, what you gotta do here, you gotta just go back to your screen, and you gotta just go back to your settings, right? And in the settings, we're gonna just head back to general, right? And we're gonna just go back to to go ahead to iPhone storage, right? And here we're gonna see Instagram. We're gonna offload the app and delete the app, and we're gonna reinstall it again like a new fresh app, and we're gonna give them the access carefully. And after we give them all that, we're gonna see if that problem solved. It probably solved afterwards. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, to on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.